Imagine a leafy green that not only boosts your immune system but also adds a burst of flavor and color to every meal. Cabbage kale is a powerhouse vegetable packed with nutrients, offering more than just a healthy twist to your diet. It's a versatile ingredient that can transform any dish. Cabbage kale, a leafy green vegetable that belongs to the brassica family, has gained significant attention for its impressive nutritional profile and versatility in cooking. It is a member of the cruciferous vegetable group, which also includes broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, and shares many of their health benefits. This leafy vegetable is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a popular choice for health-conscious individuals looking to add more plant-based nutrients to their diets. It is particularly valued for its high content of vitamins A, C, and K, along with its fiber and antioxidant properties, which contribute to various health benefits, including immune system support, bone health, and heart disease prevention. Cabbage kale is not only nutritious but also highly versatile in the kitchen. Its robust, slightly bitter flavor and thick, hearty leaves make it an excellent addition to a wide range of dishes. Whether it is used in soups, salads, smoothies, or even as a substitute for lettuce in wraps, kale can add a satisfying crunch and vibrant color to meals. In its raw form, kale can be massaged with olive oil and lemon to make a tender, flavorful salad. It is also commonly sautéed with garlic and olive oil, paired with grains, beans, or other vegetables, to create a hearty and nutritious side dish. Kale's ability to retain its texture and flavor when cooked or wilted also makes it an ideal green for adding to stews and casseroles. In addition to its culinary uses, cabbage kale is also known for its health-promoting properties. The vegetable is packed with powerful antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This action helps protect cells from damage and supports overall health, potentially reducing the risk of chronic conditions such as cancer and heart disease. Kale's high fiber content also aids digestion, promotes gut health, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent food choice for individuals with conditions such as arthritis or other inflammatory disorders, as it can help reduce inflammation and promote joint health. Kale's benefits extend beyond human consumption, as it can also be a valuable asset in the garden. As a hardy and fast-growing plant, it can be grown in a variety of climates and soil types. Kale is relatively easy to cultivate, making it a popular choice for home gardeners. It can be planted in early spring or fall, as it thrives in cooler temperatures, and it is known to be resistant to pests and diseases. With minimal care, kale plants can continue to yield fresh leaves throughout the growing season, providing a continuous harvest for those looking to enjoy its nutritious benefits. Additionally, kale can be used in companion planting, where it helps deter certain pests from other crops, acting as a natural pest repellent. Beyond its traditional culinary and gardening uses, cabbage kale has gained popularity in recent years as a superfood, appearing in juices, smoothies, and health supplements. The vegetable's nutrient density and antioxidant content have made it a favorite among individuals seeking to boost their overall health and well-being. Kale powder, for example, is often used in smoothies and protein shakes for an extra nutrient boost. Its rich vitamin K content plays a crucial role in bone health, supporting calcium absorption and contributing to healthy bone density. Kale's versatility in the kitchen, along with its numerous health benefits, ensures that it remains a staple in many households, whether for its culinary uses or as a natural supplement to support a balanced, healthy lifestyle. From hearty soups to vibrant salads, cabbage kale is a true kitchen superstar. Whether you're looking to enhance your health or add a nutritious crunch to your meals, this leafy green has it all. Incorporating kale into your diet is a simple yet impactful way to nourish your body and elevate your cooking game.